Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. So where you can generate outline of a research paper and an article, and you can generate content also. So it will be a very helpful tool for researchers, those who want to automate any research paper writing or automate any articles. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will works out. We will give some research related that is titles, and we will try to generate a better outline for that title also. So let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on power converters, modeling, design and applications. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with the different LNC calculation, that is design calculation of converters. So in this workshop we are going to discuss about buck and boost converter, and then we are going to make open loop and closed loop simulation with proper PID controller tuning for that converters, and then we are going to connect this converters with renewable energy sources as its input, that is PV and wind energy sources, and then we are going to analyze the response. So after that we are going to incorporate that setup to EV charging station, that is electric vehicle charging station, and we are going to analyze how that converter stabilizes the power from the input sources and give that is to maintain a common DC output voltage across the electric vehicle charging station to charge the EV batteries. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of it using that is different types of research prompts. So and also I am going to make a live paper writing, that is research paper writing using different kind of AI tools. So every AI tools has its own merits and demerits. So according to it I am going to use select every tool for each section of research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Writego. So this is the dashboard of this AI tool. So in this is the dashboard. Here you can see step 1, title, outline and dissertation. So here you can see in step 1, type in the paper title to generate a super perfect outline. So in this you have to give this specifications related with that particular step 1, that is topic, type of the paper, so and then subject area. So after that you can see that submit detailed paper instruction. So after that you can generate an outline. So after that outline is generated, here you can see that step 2. So in this step 2 you can edit the content of your outline. You can modify and add titles. The final article will be generated strictly according to the outline. Step 3 is to click the generate button and export in the format you desire. Once you have checked the outline, you can click the generate button. In about 30 seconds article will appear before you. You can see all your generated papers in generation record, and select the format you want to export in an article in such as Word or Markdown, etc. So free users can use the outline generation function in a limited number daily. So if you want detailed paragraphs, so you have to go for subscription option. So this is all about this Writego AI. This is the summary. So let us explore with some inputs. That is, here I am going to give a topic called, so I am going to give machine learning algorithms for MPPT in solar PV system. So like that I am going to give an input. So in this you can select type of paper. So in this type you can have different options are available. So here you can see that essay, term paper, research paper, coursework, book report, book review, movie review, PowerPoint presentation, bibliography, editing, math problem, dissertation writing. So in this you can hire human editor also. So next thesis writing, thesis proposal, research proposal. These are the options available. So I am going to select it as a research paper. So and then here subject areas are available. So here you can see literature and language, business and marketing, management, health, medicine, nursing, social sciences, psychology, life sciences, biology and biomedical sciences, history, education, visual and performing arts, engineering, etc. So in this I am going to choose engineering. So after that you can submit detailed instruction of the paper. So make that is abstract, literature review and various machine learning algorithm for MPPT. Next, possibility of implementation, advantages of machine learning in MPPT. So like that I am going to give some detailed, so you can give even more detailed. So just I have given for example to show you an example. So here you can see that our outline for our paper is generated. So this is the outline. You can see abstract, introduction, literature review. So in this you can see overview of MPPT in solar power system. Next, traditional MPPT techniques. Next, introduction to machine learning algorithms for MPPT. So various machine learning algorithms is that artificial neural network, support vector machines, decision trees, random forest, deep learning models. So these are the different types of machine learning algorithms. So and then you can see possibility of implementation. So here if you want to edit this title, so just click on the option called edit. So and you can change the title whatever you want, or you can add the title too. So like that you can modify the outline of your research paper. So after that, this is how an outline will be generated using this Writego AI. So even if you want to more outline, so you can check it, that is you can give any of the option you want. So for example, if you want to write a thesis, if you are struggling to make an outline of a thesis, so you can use this option to generate outline. So after that you can click on generate papers. So as far as papers, so you have to go for subscription option for papers. So here it will updating it. So you have to log in the pricing and plans. So here you can see for premium it is $19.99 per month. So you can have unlimited AI generation, unlimited citation, unlimited content rewriter, 100 articles per month. So for quarterly it is about 15.99 per month. For annual it is 12.99 per month. So this is how this pricing and plans works out. So apart from this AI essay writer, so you can see that content rewriter also. So just click on this content rewriter option. So for free you can use this content rewriter. These are the different formats are available. So here you can see standard, formal, academic, creative, professional, confident, friendly, etc. Yes, in order to use this content rewriter option, so you have to go for subscription. So but the important thing is that you can have different languages. You can convert that rewrite into different languages, or else you can use text from a URL. So you can link any URL and you can rewrite that particular content also, and then you can copy and paste the YouTube video link, and then also you can rewrite the content. So this is how this Writego works out for research paper writing or content rewriting. As far as our research paper writing is concerned, so you can generate a better outline using this Writego. So and make your research paper writing simple. Then you for generating outline it is free only, so you can generate outline. So apart from this, whenever you want to automate that research paper writing, so you have to go for subscription option. So this is all about this Writego. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.